Hey, are you a business owner? Are you looking to increase your revenue, bring in additional sales team members or marketing team members? Hey, look, if so, I've got an answer for you. We work directly with businesses to provide a commission-based recruiting program that removes all the risk for you, the business owner, and provides high quality sales candidates and marketing candidates. Hey, look, if you need help with writing the correct ad, if you need help with your ad buys, fielding the resumes, conducting very efficient phone interviews, scheduling and confirming those interviews, and making sure your show rate is awesome, hey, look guys, we'll remove all of the risk. We'll provide high quality results for your company, all right, and save you a lot of time. Hey, check me out, Andrew Hale Sales at andrewhalesales.com for more information on your recruiting program to build your revenue.